Good morning, ma'am.
140 we will do question answer of chapter United Nations. We will do question answer of chapter United Nations. Yes, beta, raise your hand for the answer one by one. Okay? Yes, beta, our first question is, what are the main organs of United Nations? What are the main, what are the main organs of United Nations? Yes, so many students raise the hand. Smart, give the answer.
General Assembly, Security Council, Economical and Social Council,
Yes.
Council,
Yes.
International Court.
Yes. Yes. Well done, Smart. Yes, beta. Arav of fifth B. Sia, Sia ने hand raise किया. Sia, give the answer. What are the main organs of United Nations? Yes, beta.
General Assembly,
Well done.
General Assembly, Security Council,
Yes.
Economic and Social Council,
Yes.
Trusteeship Council, Secretariat.
Secretariat. And one रह गया बेटा. International Court of Justice. Total 6 organs. Well done, Sia. Yes, beta. Our question is, name the main organs of or main bodies of United Nations. Beta, the answer given by Smart and Sia. Both answers are correct. There are 6 main organs of United Nations. The first organ is General Assembly. Beta, General Assembly is known as World Parliament. Second is Security Council. Third is Social and Economic Council. Fourth is Trusteeship Council. Fifth is Secretariat, and sixth is International Court of Justice. Well done, all of you. Move on another question. Second question. What are the main aim and objective of UNO? Yes, Ishmeet is very excited to give the answer. Ishmeet, give the answer. Yes. 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 Well done, Ishmeet. Yes. Akansh, beta, give the answer. Try to give the answer. Objectives of UNO. Yes, Akansh. Yes, beta.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, the main aim of UN is to bring peace. The main objectives of UN are to maintain world peace and security and develop good relations between countries, to encourage cooperation, to solve social, culture, economic, and humanitarian, promote respect for human rights and freedom, to act as a common platform for harmonizing the activities.
Eman, beta, if you want to add some more points
Yes,
in this.
yes,
Yes.
ma'am, I have some different points.
Yes. Yes. Same.
The objectives of UN are to work towards international peace and security, to promote friendly relations.
Yes, beta. This is yes. This point is very important because beta, the main purpose to establish this organization is to maintain world peace and security. So this is the main objective of United Nations, to work towards international peace and security. Yes, beta. Wait a minute, beta. Yes. Yes, Raymond. Move on.
To promote friendly relations. To promote friendly relations among nations, to promote co-cooperation.
Very necessary to promote friendly relation among nations. Very good, Raymond. Because if we have friendly relation with neighboring countries, then there is less chance of fight or war between the countries. Move on. Third point.
To promote cooperation among nations in the field of social, culture, etc. To promote human rights and freedom. To serve as a center where countries can coordinate their actions.
Beta, well done. Your answer is right. Beta, all the answer given by various students. Ishmeet answer is also right. Akansh answer is also right. Raymond answer is right. Beta, you can write the answer in your own words. Well done. Yeah, yes, Ishmeet, you want to say something? Yes, beta. Your answer is also correct. Yes, beta. Move on. Next question. What is the role of Economic and Social Council? What is the role of Social and Economic Council? Yes, Kavan, give the answer. Yes. Yes. Yes.
It also encourages the rich countries to help out the poor ones. 4. It aims to improve health condition and education and also to control population in various countries.
Yes. Well done, Kavan. Yes, beta. Ishpreet, repeat the answer. Give the answer. Same. Yes.
It provides direct funds to the countries in need.
Yes.
It also encourages the rich countries to help out the poor ones.
Yes, beta. Social and Economic Council also encourage rich country to help the poor country or needy country that are in need, because sometimes some country face some type of natural calamity and they are in need. Yes.
It aims to improve health conditions and education.
Very
and
good.
also control population of various countries.
Well done. Yes, beta. Now, Agampreet Singh of 5th A. Give the answer. Agampreet Singh of 5th A. Yes, beta, give the answer.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Try to give the answer. What do you know about Social and Economic Council? Yes, beta.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, page number 136. Top A, Economical and Social Council. First, it aims at closing the gap or difference between the rich and the poor countries. Number 2, it provides direct funds to the countries in need. Third point, it also encourages the rich countries to help out the poor ones. Fourth point, it aims to improve health condition and education and also to control population of various countries.
You can don't write bookish language. Try to mold the language. Okay, your answer is correct. Well done. But try to write the answer in your own wording. Okay, beta. Just say it reduce the gap between rich and poor country. ठीक है ना? Try to change the language. It's provide the help to needy country. ठीक है?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay. Yes, Agampreet. बोलिए बेटा. What? Yes.
Ma'am, second question. Ma'am, what are aims and objectives of UN? Ma'am, ये मेरी एक मिनट मीटिंग डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी.
हाँ जी. So what do you want to know, बेटा?
Ma'am, what are objectives?
What
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am,
are the objectives?
ma'am, what are aims and objectives of UN?
The main aim of UNO is to work towards international peace and security. Beta, the main purpose to establish this organization is to maintain international peace and security. Better, and to promote friendly relation among neighboring country, because if we have good relation with our neighbors, then there is less chance of fight. To promote cooperation among nations, बेटा if we learn cooperation, then automatically क्या होता है कि जो भी कोई टेंशन है वो कम हो जाती है. टू प्रमोट कॉपरेशन अमंग नेशन, it try to solve the social, economic and cultural problem. Beta, it protects human rights and freedom. Beta, the main objective of UNO is also protect human rights and freedom. Beta, it serves as a center where countries can coordinate their actions. Beta, it provides platform to countries to sit together, discuss their matters and find out solutions. So, to serve as a center where countries can coordinate their action. Yes, beta.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Move on our other. Move on other question. Beta. And fourth question is, what do you know about WHO? What do you know about WHO? WHO stands for World Health Organization. WHO stands for World Health Organization. Yes, beta. Raman, please. Fifth A. Beta, give the answer. Yes, beta. Okay, speak loudly, beta. Yes, it provides healthcare facilities. Very good. Yes. Good. Yes. Yes. Beta, your answer is right. Sit down, beta. Samuel, give the answer. What do you know about WHO? Samuel of 5th B. Yes, beta. Try to give the answer.
The WHO provides health. The WHO provides healthcare facilities of international level. This this organization launched campaign against diseases like malaria, AIDS, etc. It encourages community healthcare. Governments also adds by WHO on health matter. It has its headquarters at Geneva.
First of all, give the full form of WHO. Okay? WHO stands for World Health Organization. Yes, beta, Samuel, your answer. Add some more points, Sana. Sana, add some more point in. What do you know about WHO? Yes, Sana.
Okay, good morning, ma'am. First point, page number 137. First point, it provides health facilities on an international level. It has a strong hand in organizing worldwide campaigns worldwide against diseases.
Very good.
It takes upon itself the task of spreading awareness among the people. It encourages community healthcare and equipment, health workers. Governments are also aided by the WHO on health matters. It has its headquarters at Geneva.
Yes. Okay. Well done, Sana. Beta, add
Okay,
some more points. Beta, anyone who want to give? Beta, Bhavu, call me. Bhavik, call me. Okay. After 1:30, call me. आपने जो पूछा है वो मैं आपको फोन पर बता दूंगी. Yes, beta. Beta, add some more points, new points. Harshika. Yes, try to give the answer. Harshika, 5th A. Yes, beta. Yes, beta.
I have a doubt in economic and social council.
Ask beta.
मैम जो क्वेश्चन था व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल काउंसिल, उसका आंसर क्या आएगा?
आप बताओ ना आंसर. आपने बताना आंसर. तुम इतने सारे बच्चों ने.
मैम मतलब हम इसी टॉपिक में से मोल्ड करके लिख सकते हैं अपनी लैंग्वेज में?
अपनी लैंग्वेज में ही लिखना है. ओके. Write the answer in your own language. That is very good. Harshika, try to give the answer of WHO. What do you know about? Try to.
WHO stands for World Health Organization. It provides healthcare facilities and on an international level. It has a strong hand in organizing campaigns worldwide. It also provides vaccines against diseases like tuberculosis, malaria, with special emphasis on AIDS. It takes upon the task of spreading awareness among people. Governments are also aided by WHO.
Now, मैं सभी के वाइंड अप करके आपको बेटा WHO के बारे में मैं सभी के आंसर्स को कलेक्ट करके मतलब आप कलेक्टिव आंसर सभी के अकॉर्डिंग क्या बन रहा है. बेटा WHO स्टैंड फॉर वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. बेटा दिस एजेंसी लुक आफ्टर पब्लिक हेल्थ और across the world. This organization look after public health across the world. ये सिर्फ एक कंट्री की हेल्थ का ध्यान नहीं रखती. It look after the health of whole world. Beta, it works toward preventing epidemics and promoting general health of the people. Beta, it try epidemic. Epidemic means होता है महामारियां. बेटा ये महामारियों से बचाने के लिए, जैसे कोरोना महामारी चली हुई है ना बेटा, इससे बचाने के लिए WHO कितने टाइम पे गाइडलाइंस दे रहा है. ठीक है. वैक्सीन कौन सी यूज करनी चाहिए, कौन सी नहीं. ठीक है ना. ये सब गाइडलाइंस दे रहा है. बेटा इट वर्क्स टुवर्ड प्रिवेंटिंग एपिडेमिक and promoting general health of the people throughout the world. Beta, it has played a vital role in wiping out many diseases. It play a vital role to wiping out many diseases. इसकी वजह से बहुत सारी जो बीमारियां वो जड़ से खत्म हो गई. इसका मतलब ये है बेटा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पोलियो. पहले पोलियो के केसेस इंडिया में बहुत होते थे, बट विद फंड प्रोवाइडेड बाय द WHO जो इंडिया में क्या हुआ कि पल्स पोलियो की हमें जो वैक्सीन है वो दी जाने लगी. और बेटा अब जो ये डिसीज है इज टोटली इरेडिकेट फ्रॉम इंडिया. मूव ऑन आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यस गौतम वांट टू से समथिंग. यस yes beta, answer given by all the students are correct. Beta all the students can write the answer in their own words. मैंने तो जस्ट उसको इलेबोरेट किया सभी के दिए हुए. ओके. और the answer given by all the students are correct. Okay, and try to write the answer in your own language. ठीक है. Avoid using bookish language. Yes beta. Move on. Our last question. Our last question is what Name the special agencies of UNO and write about any two. Beta, special agencies of UNO. Yes, Nishna. Nishna, just name, give the name of the agency. Very good. Yes. 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 Yes, but all of you know that there are various agencies of UNO. UNESCO. UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organization. बेटा सेकंड हमारी थी यूनिसेफ. यूनिसेफ यूनाइटेड नेशंस इंटरनेशनल चिल्ड्रन एमरजेंसी फंड. यूनाइटेड नेशन इंटरनेशनल चिल्ड्रन एमरजेंसी फंड. बेटा थर्ड इज WHO. WHO stands for World Health Organization. Fourth is ILO, International Labour Organization. And last is FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization. In the various agencies of UNO. Beta, you will write the name of all the agencies in full form. Now, come one by one and write the full form of the agency. Each please write the full form of UNESCO on the black. Yes. Write down. Take other chalk. Yes, write down. Very good. Yes. Ileana, scientific. Yes. Very good. Cultural के spelling अलग है बेटा आपके. CURAL. Cultural. Learn the spellings also, beta. Learn the spellings also. What is your name, beta? Ajit. Next. Well done. Well done, history. Now write down the full form of UNICEF. What is your name? Beta Divyansh is writing the full form of UNICEF. Yes, write down. Very good. United Nations, better. International. The international use clusters. Write again. Spelling of international की spelling तुम्हारा लिखी बेटा. बेटा learn the spelling. बेटा आप orally जानते हो, लेकिन आपको स्पेलिंग लिखने में प्रॉब्लम आती है. So learn the spellings. Okay, बेटा. Then explain any two agencies. Beta, write the name of all the agencies and then explain any two agencies. We have already explained UNICEF, UNESCO, and International Court of Justice in part E. Okay, so from part E, you can explain any two agencies in this answer. Well done. Divyansh, United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. Nishtha, Write the full form of WHO. Write the full form of WHO. Yes. Organization. Yes, beta. Well done, Nishta. Prachi, come and write the answer of ILO. ILO. Yes, beta. Saksham Singh, write the full form of FAO. International Labour Organization. Yes. Organize. Very good. Very good, Prachi. Thank you. Saksham Singh. Yes, beta. Write the full form of FAO. Yes. Food and Agriculture Organization. Yes. Madam Saksham. Beta, thank you, beta. Yes, UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. UNICEF stands for United Nations International Children Agency Fund. WHO stands for World Health Organization. What is the full form of ILO? International Labour Organization. Full form of FAO? Food and Agriculture Organization. Yes, beta. With this, we have finished the back exercise of this chapter. Beta, this is your homework. Write down the question answer of this chapter in your fair notebook. Now I am going to ask some one-word question or two marks question from this chapter, and raise your hand. Beta, the question fifth B part. Beta, write about any two agencies. Beta, you any two agencies. Beta, इसमें आप किन्हीं भी two agencies को explain कर सकते हो. Yes, Ritima, give the write any two agencies. आप कौन सी agencies के बारे में बताना चाहोगे? Okay. Ritima, give the answer of ILO. Yes. Very good. Beta, yes. Anandita. Anandita, फिफ्थ बी। बेटा आप एक्सप्लेन करो।
Good morning, ma'am.
यस बेटा।
Ma'am, I have a doubt. मैम ये जो आपने फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन अभी करवाया है मैम, एफ पार्ट ऑफ फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन मैम, उससे आंसर ये जो आपने करवाया UNESCO 5 पॉइंट्स करवाए हैं, तो उससे उसको एक्सप्लेन करने।
Beta, here they are the special agencies of UNO. You just write the short form and full form of agency. Then
ओके मैम, ओके।
out of five, any beta, now I am going to ask some one word or 2 marks question. Beta, we have already explained UNESCO and UNICEF in part E. Okay? When was United Nations formed? When was United Nations formed? Yes, raise your hands. Online student also. Disha. Yes, Disha Chadda, give the answer. When was United Nations formed? Yes, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. When was United Nations formed? Yes, beta. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, World War Second.
Beta, after Second World War, United Nations was formed. But what is the date or year in which United Nations was formed? Ishmeet, give the answer. Yes, well done. Beta, all of you write the answer in chat box. Okay, keep writing the answer in chat box. Sakshan Mani, well done. Beta, write date also. Here is correct. Raymond, well done. Yes, beta. United Nations was formed after Second World War on 24 October 1945. Well done. Beta, when United Nations was formed, how many founder members were there? When United Nations was formed, how many founder members were there? Yes, Kavan. 50. Well done, Kavan. 50 members. Rehman also correct. Imam. Sana also. Yes, beta. Write the answer in chat box also. Yes, Adnan, Praveen, all are writing correct answer. Beta, move on our next question. How many members are in Security Council? How many members are in Security Council? Yes, there are 15 members in Security Council. Out of 15, 10 are non-permanent and 5 permanent members. 10 are non-permanent and 5 are permanent. Yes. Right. Give the name of 5 permanent members of Security Council. Give the name of 5 permanent members of Security Council. Yes, Ramleen. Give the answer. Yes, well done. Yes, यहाँ पर आरव और फिफ्थ बी. आरव और फिफ्थ बी. Give the answer. Yes, beta, give the answer. 5 permanent members of Security Council. Himang is also writing correct. Raymond is also writing correct. Yes, beta. Arav, try to give the answer. Sana.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Harshika. Well done. Yes. Saksham, Many. Give the answer, beta.
Ma'am, China, America,
Very good.
France, ma'am, Britain, ma'am, and last one, was USA.
Yes. Beta USA, UK. UK stands for United Kingdom means England. Okay? USA, UK. UK means United Kingdom. मतलब हम उसको इंग्लैंड बोलते हैं जनरल लैंग्वेज. USA, UK, France, Russia, and China. All these are 5 permanent members of Security Council. Yes, beta. Move on.
Security Council.
Yes. Well done, beta. Well done. Those who are trying to give the answer. Yes. Beta, when do we celebrate United Nations Day every year? When do we celebrate United Nations Day every year? Sia, try to give the answer. Sia, yes, beta. Try to give the answer. When do we
On
celebrate?
24th October 1945.
Beta, no. On 24 October. Beta, on 24 October 1945, United Nations was formed. That's why on 24 October every year we celebrate as United Nations Day. Every year 24 October is celebrated as United Nations Day. Beta, who is the head of Security Council? Who is the head of the Security Council? Yes. General Secretary is not correct answer. Yes. Adnan, try to give the answer. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Who is the
Yes,
head
ma'am.
of Security Council? Yeah, who is the head of?
Ma'am.
Yes. Mark.
Ma'am, I
No. Beta, Secretary General. Secretary General is head of Secretariat, Security Council, and UNO. Beta, the head of Secretariat is Secretary General. Beta, Secretary General is head of UNO. Okay. And beta, how many judges are international court?